Dear children of class 7, this is the lesson from 11 to chapter 11 to chapter 16 of general knowledge GK. Okay. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor in the country conferred upon a person who has rendered exceptional service to the nation. Identify those winners of the Bharat Ratna. First two questions. Former President and rocket scientist popularly known as the Missile Man of India. The person is APJ Abdul Kalam. Known as Mahaman, he founded the Banaras Hindu University. The name of the personality is Madan Mohan Malaviya. It is, you can see APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Madan Mohan Malaviya. A brave freedom fighter, he is the best remembered for her role in the Quit India movement. The personality is Aruna Asaf Ali. Fourth, an eminent industrialist and the first Indian to receive a commercial pilot license. That is, the personality is J.R.D. Tata. You can see the photo, Aruna Asaf Ali and J.R.D. Tata. Known as the Iron Man of India, he was India's first Deputy Prime Minister. The personality is Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel. The Diwan of Mysore, whose birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day, is M. Visvesvaraya. The portrait of the two personalities, Vallabhbhai Patel and Visvesvaraya. A Dalit leader and the chief architect of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The noted economist known as for theories on welfare economics is Amartya Sen. Photo here, APJ Abdul Kalam, B.R. Ambedkar and Amartya Sen. Next chapter. It is chapter 12, Devoted Parents. Animals have a unique way of taking care of their eggs and young ones. Here is some interesting examples. A male seahorse gives birth to young ones. The male seahorse gives birth to young ones. The female deposits unfertilized eggs, which may number from 15 to 6,000 into the male's abdomen. The male fertilizes them and carries them in his brood pouch, where the eggs are provided with the nutrient and the oxygen. The young ones are born after 2 or 4 weeks. A female emperor penguin returned to the sea after laying a single egg. The male withstands the Antarctic cold for 60 days or more to protect the egg, which he kept on his feet under a feather flap. He starves himself during the entire time and goes to the sea to feed only after the mother penguin returns. A father sea catfish keeps the eggs of his young in his mouth until they are ready to hatch. He does not eat until his young ones are born, which may take several weeks. A few weeks after giving birth to her young, the mother giraffe joins a herd which acts as a crèche for the young ones. The female takes turn to the baby seat all the babies in the herd. The female giant water bug lays her eggs on the back of the male parent for the next 3 weeks till they hatch. The father carries them on his back and protects them from parasites. The mother crocodile carries her babies in her mouth to protect them from the predators such as storks, monkeys, and monitor lizards. Potluck. This is the India is a land of a varied cuisines, cuisines with such regions known for the unique dish. Pattu Kodola. Puttu Kodola, it is a typical breakfast dish of Kerala. Puttu is made from rice, flour, and coconut. It is steamed in a special mold and eaten with Kodola black chana. Kodola is black chana curry. Dal Batti Churma. It is a Rajasthani dish comprising lentils, batti, a kind of hard puri, and churma, which is crushed wheat cooked with and ghee, and here ghee and sugar. Bamboo shoot fry. It is a traditional dish of many states across the northeast India. It is made from bamboo shoots. The hard exterior of the bamboo is sealed, scaled off, and tender portion sealed, and the tender portion is cooked with the fern seeds and red chilies. This is Dhansak, a popular Parsi dish, consists of meat, vegetable, lentils, and spices, usually form a part of Sunday meals, owing to the elaborate preparation. This is some match the following popular dishes to the region they are from. They are from Dalma, it is from Odisha. Khatkhate, it is from Goa. Sukto, it is from West Bengal. Litti Chokha, it is from Bihar and Jharkhand. Mizal Puff, it is from Maharashtra. Undia, it is Gujarat, and Gustava, it is Jammu and Kashmir. Many places have entered special names for themselves. Many identify the city or country from the quotes given here. Land of Golden Fleece, Australia. Golden Gate, Golden City of India, it is Bengaluru. The land of Thousand Lakes is Finland. Land of White Elephant is Thailand. Island of Pearls or Pearls, Island of Pearls it is here Bahrain. Twin City Chicago. Gift of Nile Egypt. Eternal City Rome. Playground of Europe is Switzerland. And City of Golden Gate is San Francisco. Synonyms and antonyms. Take the correct word from those brackets that conveys the same feelings expressed in the underlined words in each of the sentence. I was very happy when I received a beautiful watch as gift. So the word is overjoyed. Find out another word that means the same things. It is an 8-letter word beginning with E, ending with C. It's ECSTRATIC. Estratic. What the okay? The choice not given. SECSTATIC. Sorry, ICSTATIC. Static. No, sorry, ECSTATIC. Static. She walked slowly down and garden path. Dash. When these are options given, when to stumble, find out another word from the same meaning of water, a word starting with beginning with the A, ending with the D. It is emblade. The man was extremely surprised to see the police. It is astounded. Find another word of 13 letters begin with F, ending with D. Is flaben, flabengel. Flabengel. The rat ran quickly into the hole. The meaning is given is word from slid. Find out another word of 9 letters begin with S ending with D. It is scampered. Circle the word from those given in the bracket that conveys the opposite meaning of the word underlined in each of the sentence given below. The man praised his employees, so opposite criticized. The Rabbi gave Meenakshi a hostile glance. Opposite word of hostile, friendly. My sister walked boldly on the stage. Boldly, the opposite word is timidly. As the minister delivered a speech, there was an uproar in the assembly. The opposite word uproar to silence. Next, chapter 16. It is fun with number. What number should replace the question marks here? It is, you can see, 0. You can see the answer is supposed to be 0. Okay, it's supposed to be 0. Second one is the answer supposed to be 7. It is, you can see the difference given here. 14 adding 7 plus 2 plus 5, 14, 9 plus 2 plus 1, 12. Difference is 2. Middle given 2. Same thing is happen here. 7 plus 8, 15. 2 plus 5 plus 3 is 10. Difference 5. Middle given 5. Like that. Middle is supposed to be 4 plus 8 plus 4 is 16. 5 plus 1 plus 3 9. Therefore 16 minus 7. So answer to be 7. This here 7 into first figure, if you see 7 6 42, 6 into 6 36, 9 5 45, 5 into 5 25. Here similarly 64, that means 8 into 8, 5 8 is 40, so 8 into 8 64. This one, it shows 4 intersecting point, 9 intersecting point first line, second shows 1 intersecting point, and obviously third one shows 4 intersecting points. This you can say the pyramid. 5 plus c from the bottom, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 5 8, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 6 8. Like that, 8 plus 3 11, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 8 12, 8 plus 9 17, 12 plus 17 29, 7 plus 12 19, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 19 37, 19 plus 29 48, and finally 37 plus 48 85. Here the pyramid is with multiplication. 2 into 1 2, 1 into 3 3, 3 into 1 3, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 4 4. Similarly 4 into 1 4, 1 into 3 3, 3 into 3 9, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 9 54, 9 into 3 27, 3 into 4 12, 12 into 27 3 24, 27 54 is 1458, and finally 1458 into 324 is 472392. Answer given also back, you can see. Verify any answer, doubt or mistakes, you can correct yourself. It is lesson 15 and 16, and 16 remaining is here. After that 11 to 11, 12, 13, 14. Children, if you like this video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.